Okay, so we have these Oxilam reverse backup lights. They just sent them to me to review, and I told them I would. So here we go. Okay, so these are the OEM lights. I think those are halogen. It's not completely dark, so I thought I would do it here in the garage. Forgive the dogs. And then that's what kind of light projection we're getting with the OEM. So I'm going to swap these out and see what we get. Okay, so this is what they look like out of the package. Got LEDs all the way around, so should be a significant difference. On my car, you have these little pop-outs. Looks like I've got about 4 or 5. I'm going to take, I think, 6. Take these things out here, pop them out, pull this whole thing down, and then we should be able to get into the lights, which are right here. So let's see what happens. Okay, so here is the OEM halogen compared to the LED. Looks significantly different. And then I will just a matter of pulling out the old one and putting in the new one. I'm going to put gloves on to pull out that halogen, because you're not supposed to get oil, like skin oil in them, because you can, or oil from your skin or your fingers, because they can shorten the life expectancy. Wow, so I just popped in that one. Holy crap, look at that thing. How bright that is compared to the OEM. Let's see if I can get them both in there with yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's night and day. That's pretty cool. Holy crap. That is friggin' bright. I mean, I can't believe the difference between the two. Look at that. I mean, that is crazy. I don't know if there's any... You can see the difference, really. Projected on the wall. But, look at those two things. That is crazy as hell. It's almost as bright as headlights. Well, it's lighting up the garage like it's daytime. I mean, this is a major difference. Jesus Christ. Thanks, Oxilam. These things I think are between like $12 and $16 on Amazon. I highly recommend them. That's a significant upgrade, in my opinion.